In this video, we will be showing you our revolutionary call tracking system that levels the playing field and in fact gives you a massive leap ahead of your competition in your online marketing efforts. It is a fact that although this technology I'm about to reveal to you is readily available, that less than 1% of businesses online are utilizing it. The businesses that are using this technology are gathering intelligence that allows them to laser focus their online marketing dollars to produce superb results with a very high return on investment. Let's take a peek inside. Here I am at the login panel, which you would have your own login. This login is for the master control of all our clients. So I'm just going to sign in here and give you a show. Once logged in, you will be able to see the phone calls you've received in the last 30 days automatically by default, but you can also customize the date range up here by selecting today, last 7 days, last 30 days, or custom date range by picking the different dates on the calendar. Since this is logged in as a master view, I'm just going to narrow it down to a company view, which you would see if you were one of our existing clients. So this is a client view, and again, they have their call volume for the last 30 days. They can change this to a custom date range for the last 7 days, etc., just as I had mentioned. But the really cool features of this call tracking system is the intelligence that it gathers and the reporting that it gives you. For instance, you can go to reports here, and you can go calls by keyword, calls by active page, calls by landing page, time to first call, calls by day and time, calls by source, voicemail, unique callers, and you can export your call log. This is very, very powerful information, and let's have a look. So first thing, on this home page, I have not revealed all the data for privacy reasons for my clients, but down here you can actually select the columns that will display. So you can see the numbers they've called, you can add the customer's name they called, the phone number they called, you can add in the keywords that they called in on, etc., etc. You can see there's quite a few different choices of the view that you will see on the main page. Let's have a look at one of these reports. Let's go calls by source. So in this column here, you will get a detailed graph of where the calls are coming from. And you can see here in this client's case, it's a massive amount is Google Organics because we were doing a SEO campaign for this client, but they also have direct calls, other search engines. This is Google. Of course, Google always accounts for the majority of website traffic, as you will find with your website as well. Now, you'll get a breakdown of the calls and the duration of the calls, average duration, etc., etc. Now, if we go back to the home page here, in addition to this, with each call that comes in, if you are logged into your dashboard, as a call comes in, a window will drop down here to let you know that a call is coming. And then down here, it would appear as in progress if you have that item displayed. Now, we also have call recording for some of our clients set up here, and you will have a detailed log right next to your call. So you can click in on a call. Let's just find, anyone that has a recording here. And when you go on info, you will get the caller name, the phone number, IP location from GPS of where that call originated from, the source, the medium, and the URL in which they found you. Very, very useful information for tracking keywords. Now, in this case, this one doesn't have a keyword because Google Organic does try to block the keywords, and this is coming from Google itself. But if you're doing Google paid ads, for instance, this is a paid ad here. When we click on the info here, we will actually get the keyword that the client called from. Now, when you're running PPC campaigns, this is very, very imperative because it will immediately identify your best converting keywords, especially when you go to reports and you do a keyword report and you get the top keywords that are driving the most amount of calls to your business. So for this client, for instance, we can see that these here are driving the most amount of calls. Now, in this video, I'm going to be blocking these out so you don't see these keywords, just for the best interest of my client. But it allows us to pinpoint those keywords so that we can focus our PPC campaign and shut off non-performing keywords and focus on the ones that are producing the calls. Now, obviously, this is a very brief video just highlighting some of the benefits of using a call tracking system. If you'd like to learn more about this system and you're on YouTube, just go ahead and click on the link in the description below the video and you will come to our website where you can fill in your information for a free quote to see how we can implement this into your business and exactly what that looks like for your business. Alternatively, you can call the number that's displayed here in just a minute when the video ends. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon.